All right, class, and there's no one in here. So I'm hoping you guys could still participate, actively go through. I will pause so you could actually do some of this. I highly recommend if you haven't done it yet, you could still use your calculator on your computer. Well, I asked everyone at the beginning to download this onto your computer. If you don't have access to it, here it is. So here it is right here. So I just cleared up my calculator. So you could use this, and I'll show you how to do this one also, along with the calculator we use in the classroom. So continuous compounding. Some banks use continuous compounding where the compounding period increases indefinitely. After T years, a balance of A in account with principal P, annual interest rate R, decimal form, is given by the following formulas. Now, for compounding periods per year would be N, which goes along with our categories that how many times, N is how many times it's going to compound, where continuous uses another formula, where principal, and then E, which is a type of number, it's kind of like pi, and then it's going to be raised to the RT. So slightly different on each of these, but I'll show you how to do them both. You decide to invest $8,000 6 years, and you will have a choice between two accounts. First pays 2.5% per year compounded monthly. Second pays 2.49% per year compounded continuously. Which is the better investment? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do right here on this one. So my money is going to be 8,000. Okay, 8,000. My rate is going to be 2.5%. So here's my formula again. So it's a 1 plus R divided by N. Open parentheses, 1 plus, now my fraction, control divide. This one is 2.5%. So as a decimal, it's going to be 0.025. And it is compounded. I'm going to go back to the page. Monthly. So if it's compounded monthly, that means my end value is going to be 12. So 12, arrow over, close my parentheses. Now caret, because we need the exponent. And this is, again, my n, which is 12, times my rate for my problem is going to be for 6 years. 6. And we're going to enter that. So we're going to get $9,293.22. Now we're going to do the same thing, but this time we are going to calculate it with continuous. So it's going to be P, I'll go to my formulas, equals A equals P times E raised to the RT. So it's 8,000. Now E on this calculator is right here on the left. So if you're looking at control, right below control is equals, next one is caret, and down below that is E raised to the X. So hit that one. Do not try and use the letter E, because that's going to be wrong. This is a mathematical term. So you cannot use just the letter E. So my rate here, which is going to be 0.24, because on my word problem, it says this one is going to be 2.49, so I'm changing this one right here, 2.49, which is slightly different than what I had, 2.49, because this one is 2.5. So it's slightly less, and then times, so make sure you don't move over because all this is still in the exponent, my 6 years. So this one right here, if I'm comparing this, it's going to be $9,289.10. So it is slightly less in this case. So the first one is going to be, so compounding, and this one's compounding continuous. So my first one is going to be 9,000, let me go back to it, 293.22. The next one's 92.89.10. So I added a zero there because we're talking about dollars and cents. So we have two different ones here. So the better one is actually going to give me the better increase. So I want this to invest, because investments, you want to make more money. So if you're paying or making payments, you want to pay less money. This one, you're making an investment, so you want to earn the most money. So this one would be the better one. And I'm going to show you how to do this other one here. Hold on, let me go back. Using the other calculator. So on this calculator here, that's weird. Why is it big? Anyway. Why did it go weird? So I'm going to do the first one. So it was 8,000. Oh, wait. Here, let me do the screen for this one. So you can see this here on the screen. 8,000. Parentheses. 1 plus. Now, to do the fraction here, just hit math. And then I could right over here, but I'm going to go to this one right here. So I arrowed over to find fraction. So n divided by d, so that's numerator, denominator. There we go. And that was going to be 0.025 over 12. Arrow over. Let's close that one. Now I'm going to raise it, and that was my 12 times 6. There we go. We get the same answer. Now the next one is going to be the 8,000. Now I got to do the E. So now if you're using this calculator, my E is right here. It's in blue. So anything in blue on the keyboard means you have to actually hit second first. So second, right here, ln. And that's where I'm going to put my 0.0249, because that's my interest rate, times my 6 years. There we go. I get the same thing. This one right here, since the 8 is going to make that 9, because I went dollars and cents, this 8 is going to make that 9 become a 10. This rounded to 0.10. That's the reason why this is slightly different than what we had earlier. But yeah, it already did the rounding for us. So if you have any questions, please write them down, bring them up tomorrow in class. That's it. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification button, and I say good day.